Your first trip to Europe is more than a vacation, it's a rite of passage. The thrill of touching down on a new continent, surrounded by centuries-old architecture, different languages, and mouth-watering food, is unlike anything else. But if you want to avoid rookie mistakes and get the most out of your journey, it pays to know a few secrets before you go. Let's start with logistics. Don't overpack. Cobblestone streets and compact trains are not suitcase-friendly. A carry-on backpack and comfortable shoes will become your best friends. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates, and yes, you'll need a universal adapter for those quirky European outlets. Trains are the heartbeat of European travel. Booking in advance can save you big, especially on high-speed routes like Paris to Amsterdam or Rome to Florence. But local buses and budget airlines like Ryanair and EasyJet are great too. Just remember to weigh your bags and check in online to avoid extra fees. Cash isn't king here. Most places accept credit cards, but you'll still want a little local currency for small cafes, open-air markets, or tipping in some countries. Speaking of tipping, unlike the US, it's modest or sometimes not expected at all. Always check local customs. Each country is its own cultural universe. Don't assume everyone speaks English. Learn a few phrases, smile often, and respect local etiquette. For instance, dinner in Spain starts late, in Germany punctuality is gold, and in Italy, never order a cappuccino after breakfast. Now for the fun part. Don't try to do it all. Choose 2 or 3 cities and dive in. Walk the neighborhoods, explore hidden courtyards, and don't be afraid to get lost. That's when the magic usually happens. Europe is a sensory overload in the best way. From the Eiffel Tower to a quiet vineyard in Tuscany, every moment has the potential to become a lifelong memory. But only if you plan wisely, stay flexible, and open yourself up to the unknown. So, if you could visit just one European city on your first trip, where would you go and why?